Hey, what's up guys? In this video, let's have a look at the Skullcandy UPROAR Wireless Headphones. Starting with the price, on box it says 5500 rupees, but you can easily get one on Amazon between 2500 to 4500 rupees. This is the Skullcandy headphone. Towards the left it has the Skullcandy logo and it's the same on the right as well. The ear cushions on the headphones are very soft and made of synthetic leather. The same material is used for the padding on the top of the headphones as well. The build quality is very good and it is made out of plastic. The headphones are very flexible. The only part which moves are the ear cups, and also the headphones are not foldable. Towards the bottom we have the LED light which turns blue when the headphones are on and red when it's charging. It also has a micro USB port and a built-in mic. Towards the right hand side, we have some buttons like the volume rockers and the on and off button. These tactile buttons are very easy to locate while you're wearing the headphones. We can adjust the size of the headphones and the wiring on the headphones are very well placed. Coming to the battery life, you can listen to music for 7 hours non-stop and a charging time of 45 minutes to 1 hour. I agree, the headphones are very comfortable and fit perfectly on the ears, but after 1 hour of continuous use and even less than that, you'll notice that your ears will start to ache and you can sense that your ears are getting heated up. The headphones do not have the 3.5mm jack, so you cannot connect it to your phone if the battery drains completely. Bottom line, the Skullcandy UPROAR is a lightweight headphone which delivers some powerful bass response for a very reasonable price. That's it for this video guys. Oh wait, I'm missing something. Now it's looking complete. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel because I make more such awesome tech videos. Okay guys, I'll go listen to some music with this Skullcandy UPROAR headphones. If you too want to enjoy some great music with some awesome treble and bass, then go down in the description and buy your Skullcandy headphones right now. I'm Ashut signing off and I'll see you in my next video.